Bamboo desks are becoming increasingly popular due to their eco-friendly nature and stylish appearance. There are many products available to choose bamboo desks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bamboo desks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tankula Bamboo Mid-Century Desk. The Tankula Bamboo desk is designed for efficiency and style in your workspace. Its spacious surface allows you to comfortably use your laptop while also providing room for writing. With 2 pull-out drawers and an underdesk shelf, you can easily store important documents and personal items. The bamboo construction ensures durability and a waterproof finish, making it a practical choice for daily use. Additionally, the desk features rounded corners for safety and crossbars for added stability, giving you peace of mind while you work or study. Number 2. Flexispot E6 Essential Bamboo 3-Stage. The Flexispot Pro Bamboo Electric Standing Desk is a versatile and durable piece of furniture for your home. Made from mature bamboo, this desk is not only strong but also elegant with its natural grain. The quiet dual motors allow for smooth and easy adjustments, even in a quiet room. With a spacious work area measuring 55 inches by 28 inches, you'll have plenty of room for all your work essentials. The desk is also environmentally sourced and comes with a 5-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. Upgrade your workspace with the Flexispot Pro Bamboo Electric Standing Desk and enjoy the convenience and benefits it brings. Number 3. Bamboo Standing Desk Adjustable Height Electric Stand-Up Desk. The Innovar Bamboo Desk is designed to enhance your workspace with its unique features. The single-piece bamboo tabletop offers a seamless surface, eliminating worries about joints and providing a stylish look. With a robust motor and sturdy steel frame, this desk can support up to 198 pounds, ensuring durability for all your office essentials. The rounded arc pipe design promotes safety, reducing the risk of accidental bumps. Plus, with electric height adjustment, you can easily customize the desk height between 28.3 inch and 46.5, making it easy to switch between sitting and standing for a more ergonomic experience. Number 4. Nuvant Writing Computer Desk 46-inch Bamboo Home Office Table. The Nuvant Bamboo Writing Computer Desk offers a modern-style design that brings a feel of minimalism to any room. Its versatility allows it to be used as a study desk for children, gaming table for men, dressing table for women, or a compact workstation for working from home. Made with eco-friendly bamboo, the desk has a smooth surface that is easy to clean and is sturdy and durable. The wooden desk comes in a size of 46-inch length by 23.5 width by 29.5 height and includes 2 drawers for additional storage. Number 5. Bamboo Folding Desk Mid-Century Modern Desk. The Desiferny Folding Desk is an excellent choice for those needing a versatile workspace. Its foldable design allows you to save space when not in use, making it perfect for smaller rooms. When opened, it provides a generous work area that can also function as a vanity or computer desk. With ample storage options, you can keep your essentials organized on the top platform and shelves. The unique design features rounded corners for safety and a metal lock for stability, ensuring that your items stay secure and in place while you work.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.